Time to enjoy my new apartment by watching Rags to Riches. Man, it's season 2 on this show. I'm very interested to see what happens. But Mom, no wonder we're so poor. You keep buying Gucci stuff. Come on, you need to quit doing that. We're running out of money fast. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency and the Madison County government. At approximately 12:12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the Brookhaven City Space Administration has detected numerous space objects coming from an unknown exoplanet headed towards Earth. The majority of these objects will burn up in the Earth's atmosphere before reaching the main source. But the Brookhaven City Space Administration, working alongside with NASA, have been working to find the cause of these space objects and where they're coming from. It is unknown at this time which exoplanet is producing these space objects, but it is likely planet FMB42, a new planet in the Milky Way galaxy. This new planet has numerous rocks and other space objects surrounding it, so it is likely that some of these objects broke off from the ring around it, causing these objects to float and drift off into space. And Earth's gravitational pull pulled these objects towards the planet Earth, causing them to start raining down on us. It is suspected that this planet was the cause of it. At this time, it is unknown how these objects have come to be. It is thought of that society of humans was created on that exoplanet, since in its solar system, it is in the habitable zone of its planet, meaning that life can live and thrive on there without the need for any extra things. So it is likely that humans that were born on that planet were the cause of the creation of these space objects, likely causing the thing that's happening here. Please remember that not all space objects are coming towards the Earth. Some of them have been gobbled up in the sun or other stars or planets in the Milky Way. Remember to stay in your shelters and not go outside at this time. Until further notice, we can only conclude that this is a danger to humanity and it could cause prime extinction. Do not go outside. Repeating, do not go outside. Stay in your shelters. Bop! 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 Now, tuning back to your regular programming. Come on! Quit buying that stupid... Oh, jeez. I gotta go to my space base. We gotta go. Boo la 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 la. Boo la 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 la. Hello? Yeah, Bacon, this is your boss over at the space rocket. Over in Lake Madison. Oh yeah, hey, Jack, what's up? So, we need you to come down here right now, because it's an emergency. About the space objects, us, alongside SpaceX and NASA, have detected numerous space objects coming in towards the Earth, likely from a new exoplanet. So, come on, let's go. We gotta go. We don't have much time. We gotta save humanity before something bad happens. Good idea. See you there. Boo! 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 Okay, this is a real severe thing. We gotta go. Let's grab the car spawner here. Grab a space vehicle here since, well, they gave me access to this thing a couple days ago, so it's no wonder that we're taking it over to Lake Madison. 165 miles an hour.
Yes, guys, today we're going to be checking.
Ah, yes, the space base. We're finally here after some time. Oh boy, it's time to pull up to the new base. We gotta go. Boris or Jack, I'm here. Oh, hey, it looks like you've arrived. Come up to the base. Come up inside the rocket. I have something to talk to you about. Okay, so, turning on the TV here, you'll see that, hold on, let me switch to the Earth camera here. So, we need to take off. So, yeah, there's so many space objects that we have to escape Earth. You might want to sit down. Cat face. No, cat face. Hey, we're in the actual universe. We're on the moon. Let's go. Oh boy. What are we gonna do here? Well, we gotta stay on the rocket because we could get hit by space debris, so stay safe. I'm gonna go ahead and see what's going on. You check the emergency alert system for any further updates. Alright. Ba! 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 Let me read this. It says, following message is transmitted at the request of the everything Canadian, or the American government, the United States government, approximately 9:02 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The planet XO0b.221 has escaped its star in its habitable zone, and so along with numerous space exoplanets from unknown universes that are going to hit Earth in the next 15 to 20 years. So, we should leave. You know, Jack, I think I found something. What? You see this? Here, let me show you. Here, look. Take a look. National. Oh my. Okay, this is severe. Okay, go into Cairo sleep, boys. Easy. 10 million years later. It's been 10 million years. What's going on? My phone's broken. So far into the future that even the camera stuff. What's going on with the systems in the ship? Jack, we gotta go. We gotta go. Jump! Uh-oh. Okay, good thing we have the moon vehicle. Gotta go. Go! The ship's gonna go kaboom in 2 seconds. Okay, so I guess this is a futuristic Brookhaven, I'm assuming. Yeah, this isn't the normal Brookhaven you'd assume it is. Because in reality, it's not. I wonder what's so unordinary about this Brookhaven. Also, your house was destroyed in the War of 2077. So, a world war occurred. 70 million world wars occurred in the past 10 million years that we were in Cairo sleep. And then those space objects turned into entire fucking planets. Now we have to worry about that. That's correct. So you're telling me that there is no way out of this? Are you kidding me? Are we in a literal another planet? Are you? Jeez, we really are on another planet now, aren't we? Okay, so I'm assuming my phone does not work on Cairo planets. Well, multiverses, so we gotta go. Well, the only problem is, once this thing runs out of power, since it's night, this thing's gonna be damaged. So, good luck getting power back in the night. These days get really hot, up to like 10 gajillion degrees Fahrenheit and Celsius, and that cold in degrees in Celsius at night too. So it's very cold and very hot. So there's nothing too out of the ordinary with this Gyro Haven. Wait, are there aliens? Yep, there's aliens you gotta worry about now. Oh damn, am I gonna live here forever? Yeah, because there is no other place to live, because everywhere else has been destroyed, and in Gyro Haven's the only place left that has not been taken out by the sisters, which are 2 girls that robbed and took everything from every place and took it to Everything Land for Kitty Man's own good, and that is one thing. But another thing would be heading back to the space base so we can repair our damages. Our damages? You mean the aliens' damages? Because they're the ones that caused this. Yeah, I guess you're right. We gotta go back and fix this place before it explodes. Now, how do we think we should do this, Jack? Well, Before anything, I think we should come up with a plan as to how we're going to repair the damage. Because clearly there's going to be something wrong. So we got to go to the nearest tool store and buy some tools. Well, if there was literally a broken hole and 100% damage and very critical oxygen, don't you think we need some sort of futuristic tech in order to repair that stuff? No, since we're in Gyro Haven, this Zerizon, they have tech parts? Yeah, we just need to keep a spacesuit on in order to live here. Alright. So this is the place. The one and only. No, this is a phone store, you idiot. Oh yeah, it's at the brick. We gotta go back to the brick. Hold on, I'm sorry. We gotta back up. Come on, Jack. Okay, so so you're telling me that this place can turn into what? Okay, so here is the tech I was talking about. It's right here in this book. The book tells you everything you need to know about repairing space tech. It's been kept here for ages. So one of these can repair tech. Yeah, we just need to hurry up and get a house. We just gotta go over here, and get the only house with some form of tech. So this is the house. Alright, we've arrived at this is the house? Yeah, it's quite hard to fend off enemies here, but I'm sure we can. If we're really quiet. Just gotta open this and jump. Now we're in the secret hatch. And there should be a tool which we could use to repair. Attempting to sink. There we go, we got the space tool. Now what we do with this space tool is we go ahead and take it with us. Oh, I think I might explode. I don't feel so good. We'll keep driving until we reach the space base. It's a space tool. It's made of mighty parts. So we can't hold it for too long or else we'll burn up and die. Because not even a spacesuit can protect you. It'll provide mild protection, but it's gonna get really, really hot. Like, look, it's already 10 quintillion degrees. Like, geez, it's so hot. Man, it was like 1 degree. That's the hottest. That's the hottest. That's the cold. That's the warmest temperature. Oh boy, I need to head over to the space base. Well, sir, there is no current space base in the area. It's just all fake news. Wait a second. How did you get that? And where? Oh, none of your business. Beeswax. None of your beeswax. Come on, let's go. EAS! Die bit. Okay. Alright, it's time to head back to the city. No, don't head back to the city. Oh, abandoned house. That's the base. The new base is the abandoned house. Are you fucking kidding me? Dude, really? Do you really think that that's a good place to have a house? Is the abandoned building that could easily be targeted, dude? No, if we delete our car, then be quiet because there's aliens out here. Yeah, super here. Shh. Sit down. Sit. Idiot. I can't talk. Hold on, let me check it out. I see a white head there. Oh no, it's a skull. Never mind. I guess we're gonna go right home, boys. Come on, let's go. I'm gonna check inside the house. No need. Oh, you must be the new alien here in town. Alright, there's no need to check the house. Alright then. I guess I'm gonna go home then. Zoom ching, zoom ching, zoom ching, zoom ching. Dead.